Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gigantamax Kingler. Now, if you must know, Gigantamax Kingler is a very special evolution that evolves from the regular Kingler. I don't know when Kingler will reappear in the Pokemon Journey series, but I'm glad to inform you that Kingler, to me, he kind of looks like Santa Claus, but with a really bushy beard. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? You must know, Kingler, okay, let's start drawing him, shall we? Okay, this is for 100 subscribers, you guys, so get ready. And 1,000 views. Okay, so I got that done. Next up is his really long and bendy arms. Okay, next up are his really big claws here. Okay, that's good. Okay, next up are his spikes. Okay, so I like the way his arms are adjusted. Okay, so here's his arm. Make sure his claws are really big. Almost there, folks. We're almost done. There we go. Next up is the lower half of the claw. Make sure to add a few knots here. And finally, the last part he needs to do are the legs. Okay, here's another thing. Next thing you gotta do is the cloud above his head. The Dynamax clouds. Make sure to add a swirly spot here, like in Yokai Watch. There we go. And finally is his other leg. And almost done. And almost there. Almost there. And finally at the last spot. Done. That is how you draw a Gigantamax Kingler. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on what I'm gonna draw next.